Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about variables in C++ programming. The variables can be thought of as a container which can be used to hold the data elements. So we can thought the variable as a container and inside of which we can have our data elements. And the variables should have one unique name to indicate that specific container. So whenever we create one variable, then the variable should have one unique name like age, and this way whenever we wanted to store data elements or retrieve data elements from that variable, we refer to the variable by the variable name, and this way by the use of the unique variable name we can access that variable. Now talk about the naming convention of one variable. A variable name can have alphabets from A to Z. Also it can have numbers from 0 to 9. And even the variable name can have one underscore. But we cannot begin a variable name with a number. So we cannot have one variable name like one age or two roll. So we cannot begin one variable name with a number, and a variable name should not begin with one uppercase character. So we cannot create one variable age where the first character is in uppercase. And most importantly, a variable name cannot be one of the reserved keywords. Like in example, we cannot create one variable name like integer break. Because break is a reserved keyword, we cannot use that as a variable name. And lastly, the variable name should be meaningful. Like in example, we should not create variable name like integer a where the variable name is not meaningful. Instead, we can create variable name like integer age, which is much more meaningful than the variable integer a. So we should always focus on creating meaningful variable names. So these are the conventions one should follow while creating one variable. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.